Hi, my name's Liz Morley. I'm a provisional psychologist in the final year of my Master of Clinical Psychology program at the University of Melbourne. And I'm here today to talk to you about some research that I'm conducting into psychological adjustment to multiple sclerosis. So psychological adjustment is about the way an individual maintains equilibrium between their needs and stressors in the environment. And so for people with MS, what we're interested in particularly is experiences that you may have with things like anxiety or depression, or on the other hand, experiences of being able to accept the diagnosis and maximize your quality of life within the context of having the disease. So my research is building on some research that's previously been done that looks at how personality is related to an individual's adjustment to multiple sclerosis. And what the research has found is that there are a few aspects of personality that are really related to how an individual adjusts to that disease. But what hasn't been looked at is what processes are involved in that relationship. And we think that that's an important thing to understand because it's the processes themselves that will allow us to promote more positive adjustment in people with MS. So my research in a nutshell is looking at whether the way that people think about multiple sclerosis might be one of those factors that's a process for the relationship between personality and adjustment to multiple sclerosis. So in a nutshell, I'm looking at the relationship between personality, thoughts about MS, and adjustment to the disease. What I'm hoping you may be able to help me with is participation in my research. We're just looking for people with a definite diagnosis of MS, and what we're asking you to do is complete an online survey that takes about 20 minutes of your time, and that will ask you questions about all the things that I've mentioned. So your personality, your thoughts about MS, and your experiences of things like anxiety or depression or acceptance of the disease. We'll also ask you some general questions about your MS, just to get an idea about who you are, your stage of MS, and length of diagnosis, that kind of thing. So it's really easy to participate. All you would need to do is to email me at emorley@student.unimelb.edu.au and say that you're interested in participating. I'll then send you a link to the study and a password to access it. Once you access the study, you'll get all of the information that I've just told you again, and if you're happy and comfortable with that information, then you can proceed to participating. What we're hoping is that through this research we'll be able to identify areas in which we can develop interventions to promote more positive adjustment in people with MS. If you'd like feedback on how the research has progressed and what the outcomes were, we're really happy to send that on to you. So when you access the study, there'll be a question that asks you for your email address. And once the study's completed, which we suspect will be in about October or November of this year, we'll send you an outline of what we found in the research. I hope you can help us by participating, and thanks for watching the video.